Ever dreamt of diving deep into the crypto world, but the idea of navigating complex wallets feels overwhelming? You're not alone. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of Kraken, a powerful and user-friendly platform with a robust wallet system. But before we get our hands dirty, let's address the burning question: why Kraken? Why Kraken? Kraken is a veteran in the crypto space, known for its security, reliability, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. It's a one-stop shop for trading, investing, and yes, securely storing your digital assets. Plus, their interface, while packed with features, is surprisingly intuitive, making it accessible to both beginners and seasoned traders. Types of Kraken wallets. Now, let's talk wallets. Kraken offers a few different options to suit your needs. Exchange wallet. This is your primary wallet on the Kraken platform. It's automatically created when you sign up and is integrated with the exchange. This makes it incredibly convenient for trading and exchanging cryptocurrencies within the Kraken ecosystem. Funding wallets. These are separate wallets for each cryptocurrency you deposit. They provide enhanced security and allow for more granular control over your funds. Staking wallets. If you're looking to earn passive income, Kraken offers staking options for supported cryptocurrencies. These wallets are specifically designed for staking and allow you to participate in various staking programs. Alright, let's get down to business. The first step is creating a Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website, head over to Kraken's official website, make sure it's the real deal to avoid scams. Sign up. Click the Sign Up button and provide the necessary information. You'll typically need to provide your email address, create a strong password, and verify your identity. Verify your account. Kraken takes security seriously. You'll need to verify your identity by providing proof of address and potentially undergoing a video KYC, Know Your Customer, process. Once you've successfully created and verified your account, it's time to explore the Kraken interface. Dashboard. This is your central hub. You'll find an overview of your account balance, recent trades, and access to various features. Funding. This section allows you to deposit and withdraw funds. You can choose from a variety of deposit methods, including bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and cryptocurrency transfers. Trading. This is where the magic happens. You can explore the trading markets, place orders, market orders, limit orders, stop-loss orders, and view your trading history. Funding wallets. Here you can manage your individual cryptocurrency wallets, view your balances, and send and receive funds. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Here are some essential tips to keep your Kraken account and funds safe. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code from your phone, whenever you log in. Create a strong password. Avoid using easily guessable passwords and consider using a password manager. Be wary of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or provide your login credentials to anyone. Keep your software updated. Ensure your operating system and browser are updated with the latest security patches. Regularly review your account activity. Monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. Now, let's dive deeper into using your Kraken wallet. Depositing cryptocurrencies. To deposit cryptocurrencies, navigate to the funding section, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, and generate a deposit address. Then, send the cryptocurrency to the provided address from your external wallet. Withdrawing cryptocurrencies. To withdraw cryptocurrencies, navigate to the funding section, select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, enter the withdrawal address, and specify the amount. Sending cryptocurrencies. To send cryptocurrencies to another address, navigate to the funding section, select the cryptocurrency you want to send, enter the recipient's address, and specify the amount. If you're interested in earning passive income, Kraken offers staking options for various cryptocurrencies. Find eligible cryptocurrencies. Identify cryptocurrencies that support staking on the Kraken platform. Stake your crypto. Transfer your eligible cryptocurrency to the designated staking wallet. Earn rewards. You'll start earning staking rewards based on the specific staking program and the cryptocurrency you've staked. let's address some common issues you might encounter. Withdrawal delays. Sometimes, withdrawals can experience delays due to network congestion or security checks. Account limitations. If you encounter account limitations, such as withdrawal limits, you may need to provide additional verification documents. Technical issues. If you encounter any technical issues, refer to the Kraken support documentation or contact their customer support team. For those new to cryptocurrency, here are a few helpful tips. Start small. Begin with a small investment to familiarize yourself with the platform and the cryptocurrency market. Learn the basics. Educate yourself about cryptocurrency fundamentals, blockchain technology, and market trends. Practice risk management. Implement risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the cryptocurrency world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.